Hey there, good morning, everyone. We're going right into game development. I'm sleepy. We talk about it all the time. Thursdays are difficult days, but I am very sleepy. I haven't touched anything since we've last streamed on Monday, which is crazy. Things have just been really busy. So I want to come in today with this very quick goal. One of them is I want to verify that the global statistics are working. It's possible that I either don't understand how Steam's global statistics work or the Facepunch API doesn't work with it. If that's the case, it's not the end of the world. I'm going to move on. But I will want to test one other thing. Maybe what's happening is those global statistics are, because I flipped an old stat to global, maybe it's not working. So what I will want to do is try creating a new one and seeing what happens. And if that doesn't work, then I think we just create, like, I really didn't want to create the achievements right away, but I think then we just kind of create the achievements, and that might give us an idea of like who has who's where. So let's see, very easy. The code's already there. Oh, it actually is working. It just took a while for the global int to populate. That's actually pretty amazing. So I did understand how it works, which is good. It's just it took a while for it to populate and aggregate up. I don't know how long it took, but that's great. So what we can do today is we're going to at least go into the back end and set all of that up. So let me log into my partner portal. I don't mind showing you guys a little bit of the how the sausage is made in the back end. This here is for the demo, and in our admin we have stats and achievements, which I can go into. And I wonder if me showing you this is a problem or not. I mean, I guess you can see the code, but I've made them all global. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my stats both to the demo app and then also to the main app, which I'll be able to publish for y'all to play. But I do think I am going to. And now let's just jump into it. It should be pretty easy here. Justice Leopard, how you doing? thank you for the reminder. I didn't set it back down after the starting screen. Appreciate it. So what I was just testing is I'm about to open up play testing for folks, and I wanted a way to track users' progress overall and see if people are getting stuck in certain places. And Steam has in the back end, Steamworks has a statistics object, or a statistics like database or whatever. And you could save user statistics, which go into like, usually you see this in like achievements, right? So for example, kill 50 enemies, you would track that statistic in Steam. I mean, you don't have to track it in Steam, but you could. And then you could show the increment of your achievements. But what you could also do is you could set a global statistic, right? And the example they give in the API is like, if you have a global currency, right? How much money does everyone have in the economy for your game? You could store that kind of information, so you don't have to throw it into your own database somewhere. And so what I've decided to do was just create a integer for every single level and just set it to 1 if you've seen it. I can't remember if it's at what point, if it's when you see it or if you are if you finished it. Yeah, no, the moment you see the level, the moment it loads, it sets that boolean to 1. So then I could see, like, out of all the people that have seen the first level, how far have they gotten in the game? I can't see individuals, but I can see it in aggregate, right? I can kind of map out like the drop off. And that could be difficulty. That could be like, people who just don't give a shit or whatever. But I thought that would be an interesting thing to track. So I started building it out. When I did it on Monday, I'm using the Facepunch plugin, or the Facepunch API or SDK for accessing the Steam API. And it didn't work immediately. And then like a Google search showed that like, okay, like it takes maybe like an hour or 2 for it to aggregate out. It took longer than that. I don't know exactly how long, because I wasn't like checking every hour, but like most of Monday when I checked in like at lunch, like 4 or 5 hours later, it still wasn't working. But today, that stat has been aggregated, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna what I was gonna do today, because I'm a little bit late, is throw that all into Steamworks, into the back end, and then I can start building our alpha, and I could deploy that into Steam and share that with the folks who are playtesting. And if you want to playtest, you can join our Discord and just let me know, and I'll be able to send whoever is lurking a key for Steam to play. And so like in Steam, like it's a really janky UI, but it's basically you go to your stats and achievements, you click new stat in your stat configuration, you have the choice between integer, float, and average rate. And then you could set the value. It's set by the client, I guess. That doesn't really matter. Maybe increment only. Default value, I'll set it to 0, and then I'm going to say aggregated, which is it means that's the like public, or not public, but the stat that's sort of summed up across all the stats. Yeah, it's pretty useful because like you don't have to roll your own server, right? which is kind of nice, not having to just create your own server and API and stuff like that. Oops, I'm going too far. I was worried it wasn't going to work, but I'm happy that it does work because it makes my life a lot easier. So hold on, let me just, I'm going to do this so I don't have to keep switching back and forth. Let's go, Cutillo. How you doing? Thank you for checking in. You can even check how fast people type. Yeah, I suppose I could. Could I? Yeah, I suppose I could. How would I do that? Because the global stat, it just sums up. It just sums values up. But I think the average, there's like a stat type. Which is average rate. And I think this could be that. I forget how it, I'm not 100% sure how it averages things out again. To speak on it authoritatively. I'm happy that you're alive, Presto Cotillo. I am doing okay. I'm tired, but I'm doing okay. You should check the rate between start and finish of a word. Oh, how long someone types a word. You could. But the problem is like the stats here, they sum. And so for me to be able to get an average, I'd have to know how many people have played the game. But I could know how many people have played the game by looking at, having an int that, oh, I could like track how many words completed, which I have. Number of words completed. And then, yeah, I could track like between, yeah, the start and finish time. Like every time you complete a word, how long does it take to complete a word? Yeah, that could be interesting. Because I would know how many people played that level because I'm tracking how many people have played the level. And I would know how many words have been completed. And I could divide by the time. Yeah, it could be useful. It could be useful in game, and it could be an interesting stat. Absolutely. Okay, I will. I took that down as a note for myself. All right. Okay. Hold on. I will be right back. Just need to quickly run and take care of something. Don't go anywhere. Y'all can hang out. I'm going to run a quick bit of ads here for a second. Extract some pennies from advertisers, but mostly just to get it out of the way, and so we don't get hit with any ads anywhere else. And good opportunity to say, like, hey, if you want to buy me a coffee and you like what I'm doing, you could support me for free by using Twitch Prime if you have Twitch Prime. You click subscribe, and then you click subscribe for free. You guys know the drill. But it's free money, and it doesn't roll over month over month. You don't get to put it in the bank. You use it or you lose it. And if you don't give it to me, if you have it today, go and give it to a streamer that you want to support. Sounds good? Good. All right, let's run those ads and I will be right back. Where's my camera? Has my camera been gone this whole time? Ah, there I am. Guys, why didn't you tell me? Are you guys even watching? Okay, I'll be back. You guys know me very well. How, okay, I'm just trying to catch up. Camera had ads. It's good coffee, guys. Give me a break. I gotta get that emoji created for y'all. Start really farming for subscriptions. All right, where are we? You want your own emojis? Prosto Cotilo, I will give you an emoji. Send me what emoji you want me to upload to Twitch, and I'll upload it for you. And then you could have you could use it across. I'm gonna do that one, Justice Leopard. I will. I still gotta create that short. Oh, man, not enough time to do all the cool, fun ideas I have in my head. Not enough time. Yeah, you mean for your own channel, for sure. Oh, sorry, I was showing you. Yeah, it was like my brain short-circuited there for a second. Oh, there's something. What's going on? Let me refresh. This page is asking you to save. Refresh. Yeah, okay. So this is for the demo app. I figured I should probably just put it in here. I'll have to update our demo as well. Which is probably a good idea. Okay, that's all of that in here. Now, oh, I could probably maybe update the display name. Already having a demo? Yeah, there's a demo available on Steam. It's older though, so I'm not pushing it too hard. Yeah, it sucks you can't have emojis without all the other stuff, without ads and subs, yeah. I mean, the big thing is, if you don't care about subs but want emojis, you then have to deal with ads and pre-rolls, which is kind of a pain in the ass. Like, they shouldn't, I don't know, like, as someone who's a small streamer with like an average of 5 viewers a stream, I don't quite understand why I'm showing ads to 5 people. It just makes it harder for me to grow my stream, I think. And I make pennies. Like, we're not making money. Like, Twitch is making money on ads by me being 100, viewer stream and showing ads. I just want people to give me their money. I just do not want people to give me their money. You won't be able to disable that. You won't be able to disable that, right? Trust me, people are not throwing money at me. You just don't have to, like, people are not going to subscribe if you're not like, if you don't talk about it, I don't think it'll happen. I mean, some people will, but whatever. Like, if they like what you're doing, let them support you. Even one sub will make you sad. Well, then I think it's good to feel that kind of shame by taking money from other people. It's probably a good thing. But like it's like, I get it. I don't like, I do Twitch Prime because Twitch Prime is free, right? If you have it, you're just using it to support me, and it's taking money out of Amazon's pocket. That, I mean, sure, if you have Amazon Prime, you've already given Amazon money, so it's taking some of the money you already gave to Amazon and putting it into my pocket. But it's not. Like, it's not coming out of your credit card, which feels a little bit more weird. With that being said, like, if y'all thought I was great and wanted me to do more of this, whatever this is, but if you wanted me to do more of whatever this is, streaming and working on games and stuff like that, like, here's the deal. Like, if I had 100 people or 200 people subscribe to me, like, that would allow me to make a decision to say, hey, like, we'll do this full time, right? Like, you're paying me to jump on stream for 8 hours a day and entertain you. And, like, I am okay with that. You're paying 20% tax on gifted money. I don't know how it works here. Definitely not USA. But, I mean, we pay tax. I pay tax on my income. So, depending on how much money I made, I'd pay tax. Well, then, no, but yeah, then it's also, yeah, whatever the split is. Yeah, 40% actual donation. Like, I think I make like $2 every sub. I mean, there's something to be said. Like, the ads do work. If you have a lot of viewers, if you have like 10K viewers and you're running like, and you have a pretty high ad density, then I think you're making like decent money. Okay, the stats are in. And like, here's what I want to do. I want to like display it out as well. couple things I want to just test. Request current stats. Do I need to do this? I don't know if I do. Because I was like testing it out and debugging because it wasn't showing, but I think it was not showing because it took a while for the global stats to aggregate. What do you think? Would it be better to make a creative mode than make a demo than quick play mode? I definitely want to have like a just like a time trial mode for sure. Okay, the global int is still showing. Cool. Dev mode for non-devs. Yeah. Well, for now, I just want to... What game modes do you have? None right now, it's just the game. I'm just trying to finish the game and not add any more stuff. But I think having just like a time trial would be really, really interesting to give it a little bit more more replayability. And I was playing this with my son last night, and he's like totally into it. And I think it's important for me to not lose sight of like the main purpose of building this, which was like for my son. And obviously he's not like going to be able to, he's like such a slow typer, but he's learning, and that's the point. And so having like a individual best score that's not like a leaderboard, I think, and making that more prominent, and maybe making some, maybe putting some stuff around just like improving your words per minute and stuff like that, I think will be good. So I'm gonna think about what that looks like and try to get that in, because it's not for making money. It was one for me to like actually finish a project on Steam, and then also to have my son play like a game that's appropriate for him when it comes to like learning how to type. Yeah, 99% of game done. Only 99% more to go. Absolutely right. That's what it feels like. It's fucking driving me nutty. Global int. Okay, so the global int is still showing. I don't need to do this. I'm just gonna like, hold on a sec. I'm like a little bit nervous to like kill this. So I'm just gonna put it in a comment. Play to demo stats. Public. Whoa. Man, I decoded to make save load system mid-work, found that I need to fix my mess with in-game data spread all around code. Switched to that in process of fixing that, decided to fix world gen stuff because it was related, and then make that property to reorganize and better specify game states and split logic property. I'm just going, journey of 1,000 steps starts with a tiny refactoring. Geez, that doesn't sound like a tiny refactoring, and man, I went through a pretty big refactor and it was painful. And my code still turned to shit. Delegate or event is expected. Okay, just cleaning this up. I don't care about that. So I don't know a good way to actually retrieve the data from the Steam API. I suppose I could probably create my own admin portal, which I might do. But for now, I'm just going to put it in debug logs. That so we could clean it up, and then I'm just thinking how I want to do this. Have you ever made games for mobiles? I haven't. I want to, though. Does C# have a string builder? Okay, let's do that. String builder. What is new? String builder. I'm assuming, yeah, new line. sb.append. Three-word level plus forward level. Oops. 5-word level, sentence level, meter level, asteroid level, movement level, choice level, boss level, get global stats. return sb.toString, I imagine. And then let us see how that looks. Mr. Poopy Pants, I already said I don't have any mobile game dev experience, but I would like to. I had an idea for a mobile game. Wait. That I don't think that worked. Oh, who likes that's Justice Leopard. I don't know if he's still kicking around. If Foolbox is live, he might have bounced. All right, let's just. Why is this not working?
So I always wanted to write split keyboard, and Moonlighter is different.
Oh, what the hell is this guy working on?
Love clicking and stuff like the split feel of it, because okay, screw this kind of vibing stuff, screw the verticality, screw everything else. Just being able to, to be straight and have the hands like this, so they're parallel, and now I'm straight, is a game changer. Because when you have a normal keyboard, let's say you're one of the Planck guys, it's kind of good and stuff, but working daily, like for 8 hours, and you type and type and type, you will probably go like this a little bit. Internally, you will have this hands close, so it feels like, for me, it already feels awkward right now, because I usually use this one like non-stop. But this is already weird positioning and stuff. So I kind of scrolled inside. It's, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like Munder, because you also can sit normal and type whatever. But it's not that I will feel confident in myself to sit all day like that. And this keyboard kind of, I won't crawl and use that. It's awkward. So this is something that I didn't know about, but I found on myself.
Yeah, my keyboard, it definitely doesn't look like that. It's very small and all cramped in.
I hate that my keyboard doesn't have function keys.
I probably
have numbers here, the same one. I don't like. I think I kind of like the idea about escape.
Okay, folks, it is working. You can see it down here. Fantastic. There's more stuff I need to do in the back end here, but
F2 is on top of the.
we're getting,
What?
progress.
Why F2 is on?
Happy with progress.
This is wrong. Okay, this would break me.
All right, thank you for your support. Thank you for hanging out. I always appreciate it. We are doing 31 days of streaming, which is kind of like killing me. But if you guys are interested, join our Discord or...
I mean, of course. I also can remap. I actually remap
The
it
link here
all
for
my
the
life.
calendar is right. I hope that's right.
That's why I have. So this is.
It is
literally-
right.
I have no idea how you're gonna press it because my shift is here as usually.
1, 2, 3,
and my
4,
shift is
5,
there
6,
because
7,
it's
8
always
days
like that.
left.
I need to learn to use it more, and my Windows key is here. Weirdly, in Hyperland, there's this Windows Enter and Windows C buttons.
Yeah, it's a
which
short
is
stream
now
today.
awkward to press.
8 days
So I
left.
will figure out how to map it later.
And I need
on.
some ideas of things to play. Probably some
My
spoopy
enter
games
key
because we
is-
are
so
getting
you
in
have
here.
backspace here. My backspace.
But
is
anyways, thank you for hanging out. We are going to go
I'm
raid
comparing
Dino
this
Cries.
this one
He's
is
working on a
kind of
typing game.
for
That's
me.
fucking cool.
This one is
I'm going to follow
delete,
him
which
a
I
little
don't
bit more
press
closely.
Often, but yeah, delete.
All right,
This
I'm
one
out of
is
here. Thank you.
So,
I will see you all tomorrow.
space,
Appreciate
backspace,
everything.
kinda like that.
Prosto
This is
Cotilo.
Alt,
Take care,
this is
buddy.
also Alt, yes, because they're like
All right.
to press.
Bye, bye,
Here
bye,
I
bye,
have
bye.
the
I love
access
Grow
style
Home.
keys
I'll play.
that
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
want.
Oh, maybe, yeah. I'll play Grow
Layers.
Home. I like Grow
Always
Home a
on my
lot.
side. So I have this lower.
Or
key,
the
lower
second.
key
I don't think I
function
played the
will
second
be-
one yet.
I think it's Control.
Maybe I'll just play them both. Okay, I'm out.
function.
Bye, bye, bye. Gotta go.
Click
Bye, bye,
this
bye, bye, bye.
button
Thank you.
and F1